Okay, friends. Now we have to discuss how to configure the Tally ERP9. Okay. So for this purpose, you have to select the company first of all. So just I pressed on Alt plus F3 button. I got company info. Under company info, select company, connect company, set company, create group of company, alter company will be there. So just I selected the option, select company. So just I am selecting the same Sri Lakshmi groceries merchant. Then the Sri Lakshmi groceries merchant will be activated. Then the main part is configuration. So for this purpose, press on F12 button. Okay. So here the configuration features will be there. So general configuration, numeric symbols, accounts and inventory info, voucher entry, invoice order entry, payroll configuration, banking configuration, printing, email, data configuration, advanced configuration, products and terms and features, and licensing quit will be there. So just see how to make the configuration in general. So here in the configuration tab, I am selecting general. Okay, here we are having the various options. So like country details, naming styles, format dates, and format numbers, table configuration, imports and exports configuration, and other options. So friends, according to uh, your requirements or company requirements, select the features of configuration and activate it. Okay, like that we can make the changes, right? Press on it, automatically the features will be changed. Then come to the numeric symbols. So here we are having the numeric symbol configuration will be there. Symbol before number by default place will be there. Symbols after number suffix by default blank will be there. Symbols to use for negative numbers by default symbol before number prefix minus symbol before after blank, like that we are having various configurations. So according to the requirement of the company, you can select any configuration, you can make modifications. Okay, press on it. So like friends, like that we can configure the company features. Okay, thank you.